Goplus high-configure treadmill. Everything you need to reach your fitness goals lives on this Goplus high-configure treadmill. Features cool and a fashion shape. Super sturdy structure offer you an unparalleled running experience. Foldable design with built-in transport wheels for easy transport and storage. Large and heavy-duty construction. Driven by a 3-horsepower impulse max motor, provides superpower at extreme silence and low power consumption. 26 inches by 64 inches big rubber running belt. Considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder. Features 70 by 35 inches extra large LED display. Touch operate channel. Electrocardiogram grip pulse. 15 preset workout programs for your quickly access. Quick electric incline adjustments. Bluetooth speaker. Double safety design. Safety key and emergency stop button on the handrail provide double protection. Rubber damping design. Decrease vibration. Focus on provide best home workout experience. Goplus.